Hey there, friends. Welcome to this Essential Oils 101 video. If you've ever wondered what are essential oils and how do they actually work, you're in the right place. So grab your favorite cup of tea and let's dive in. Oh, and please don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful. Thank you. Now, first things first, what exactly are essential oils? Well, think of them as highly concentrated essence of plants. They're extracted from the leaves, flowers, bark, and even the peels of fruit. And it's like bottling up the plant's goodness in one tiny bottle. A fun fact, it can take pounds of a plant material to make a single bottle of essential oils. For example, it takes about 30 pounds of lavender flowers to make just a 15 ml of lavender essential oil. Crazy, right? But there's potency in that, and these oils are 50 to 70 times stronger than the herb or the plant. And that's not only what plays into the potency, but it also improves the efficacy of these oils. Now, how do essential oils work? Let's break it down. There are two popular ways people use essential oils, aromatically and topically. Now, when you use a diffuser or smell the oil just from the bottle, the essential oil travels through the air and into your nose, and this is called aromatic use. Now, the scent interacts with the part of your brain that affects mood, memory, and emotions. And that's why lavender can make you feel calm, or why citrus oils can uplift your mood. Now, topical use means applying the oils directly to your skin. Now, for example, if you're dealing with a headache, a drop of peppermint oil rubbed into your temples can provide relief. But here's a pro tip. Use a carrier oil such as fractionated coconut oil or almond oil. And if you're in a pinch, you can even use an oil from your kitchen cabinet. I would just recommend a pure oil like olive or avocado. Now, a carrier oil has larger molecules than an essential oil, so this allows the essential oil to stay on your skin longer. The essential oils are made up of volatile compounds which move quickly, so the carrier oil allows more of the essential oil to be absorbed into the body. And let's not forget safety. Some of the oils are too strong to use alone, directly on your skin, or with children and pets, so always read the label and do your research. Now, I have a video that goes more into depth on safety and how to use them, which includes using them the third way, internally, and I'll link that at the end of this video. Now, essential oils are amazing to use in your daily life. You can make a natural toxin-free cleaner with lemon and tea tree oils, or create your own relaxing pillow spray with lavender and cedarwood. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it. Essential oils are a gift from the earth, and they're so versatile. Now, whether it's supporting your emotions, cleaning your home, or boosting your wellness routine, there's an oil for that. If you're ready to get started or have a wellness goal you'd like to see how oils can help you achieve it, or if you have a question about essential oils, drop a comment below. And again, please remember to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your bestie who also may be interested in natural solutions. And please subscribe for more tips and tricks on living your best life. See you in the next video.